Baby stick it, baby move it, baby lick it, baby suck up on that click into that pussy, got a hickey, baby watch big, could've brought a Range Rover. Chain little, but I spent some change.
Okay, what's good, Moody Squad? What's good? What's good? What's good? Peep the screen. But anyways, you know, been going for a long time. I'm back, you know, new hairdo, you know, try new things. Well, today, I wanted to do my, you know, first mukbang. Bitch gonna eat. So, I decided I was gonna do my first mukbang with Hachi. Look at it. Bitch, I'm dying of starvation. But sure, I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna, you know, it's gonna be like a mukbang / storytime. Cause I decided I wanted to do, you know what, pray. Oh, gotta go get to the sun. Amen. Alright. Hold on. Y'all know I gotta be extra. Hold on. Let me put this box. Alright. Look at me, finna mess up this step. Okay, cause you know, like, this don't follow my plate. And it's gonna mess up my, mess up my, you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, give me a little meat. Ooh, baby, you just throwing the meat all over the place. Give me a little meat. And give me a little vegetables. You know, you gotta eat some vegetables instead. Yeah. Eat your vegetables if you want to put it good. Alright. Eat your vegetables. Yeah, give me all the vegetables. Don't say no. Give me a little more meat. You know, I like my meat. Okay. Now give me a little, you know, rice. I told you don't put no onion in my rice. Cause I don't mess with onion. Hold on. Yeah. Just a lot, honey. Ooh, bitch, you making a mess. Okay, I guess that's all I'm gonna eat for the mukbang. You better not mess up my bed. So this all I got, you know, the vegetables, and then I got some meat somewhere in here, and then I got some rice. Damn, bitch, I got my yum sauce. Ew. Ish. Got a little nasty. Got my little half and half. You know. So I'm gonna mix up this little goodness. But anyways, the story time is like about like this DL dude that I used to talk to, and like we've been through like so much, and like I'm really tired of his bullshit. Like I blocked him on everything, and yeah, basically we're just gonna, you know, talk about like how we started and basically how we ended. So I'm gonna start by when I was in the 7th grade, the summer, you know, after you take exams, and you're gonna go to the 8th grade. Okay, so I was, you know, gonna go to the 8th grade. He's gonna go to the 9th grade, little freshman. But anyways, around this time, I wasn't even out. Okay, I went out, you know, all the good stuff. I went out, still, you know, covering up with a little girlfriend and stuff. That's good. But anyway, anyways, we both had a girlfriend or whatever. So like, we didn't even know each other like that, but like me and my girlfriend used to always go to these apartments that had a park and some swings and things. And so one day we went and he started talking to me and my girl. So then I guess he got the swift that I was, you know, a little fruity bitch. Okay. And I don't even know how I forgot how he got my number or whatever. But back then I had an iPhone 4 because I had broke my 6 Plus. And yeah, basically it was broke, so I was using the iPhone 4 and the Samsung Galaxy S4. Don't flame me. Anyways, everybody goes to the struggle. Anyways, we're gonna skip to the next day, where he texted me, he was on FaceTime that night and stuff. And, you know, he was like, you need to come to the park, you know, tomorrow after, you know, his exams or whatever. I'm like, okay, I'll come. So, you know me, I'm a little girlfriend. Walk down to the little apartment. And bitch, I set up in a little fish. It's like a little playground thing. It's fish. Next thing you know, I'm outside. I text him, I'm outside. So he's like, alright, you know. So you know what? He came outside. And bitch, he came and sat behind me on the fish. Like, bitch, all up on me. Like, I'm like, you bold. Out in public and stuff. But anyway, we sat on there, talked and a little more stuff. And so he wanted to get a little freaky. I ain't gonna go into details, you know. I ain't going into details. But anyway, just know, bitch, he asked me, you know, I'm skipping a part, but oh well. He asked me if I want to go in the house. I'm like, yo, what's good? So we went in his house. His cousins followed behind him. Like, you better not be doing, you ain't got nothing to do. And then what we finna go do something, we ain't got nothing to do. But anyway. Food just made me so. But no, we went in the house. We sat on his couch. But he made it obvious like we was gonna do something because like he pushed his cousins to the back room. And like he was like, it's your turn. My turn to do what? He said, the kids. So they got like this big ass TV, kinda like mine but bigger, in the front room, and I'm just in the TV. So I'm like, do I really wanna kiss them? I said, shit, fuck it. Turned around, looked at him, and bitch, I kissed him. The fuck? And then, bitch, you know, we never, you know, like, stopped kissing. We just kept on kissing. And then the kisses went down to the neck and stuff. And so then when it was going down to the neck, he was just all up on my neck and stuff. And, like, I seen his cousin, like, walk past, like, a door with a light on. So I seen her shadow. So, like, I'm trying to push away from him. But, like, he just holding me on. Like, yes, nigga. But it was too late. I was trying to get him off me, but his cousin seen me. She started screaming and ran back to the room. Period. But you know what? I ain't gonna get into all details of the net. Just say I left. And then when I was walking up the street to go back home, they stopped me and said, "Come back." No, went home instead. But fast forward to now. Right now, I'm a junior. He's a senior. And right now, we speak, but like not in public. Like we text sometimes, but like. I'm just really caught up in this camera right now. But yeah, like we kind of speak. I blocked him like on every social media besides Facebook, and I don't even know if he got an Instagram. But we not friends on Facebook, so that's exactly why I didn't block him. But I blocked him on all my Snapchats and good night. I ain't blocked his number though. He can still iMessage me. But yeah. Right now, I'm really trying to get over him, like, and like it's kind of hard because like it's been like how many years, and like I'm not gonna get all this today. But y'all, this is a long video. Like this one is longer than my other two. Hopefully, it get more, you know. I ain't even eat like that. Should be talking. Thirsty bitch. Ooh. But you know what? I'm gonna say the rest. The rest for another video. I'm gonna save it for another video, okay? I'm gonna save it for another video. I'm gonna see how this one goes. Before I try to do another video about this. Oh my god. But I don't even want to make the video longer than it already is. So with that being said, baby girl, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bougie squad. Be bougie as you can be, bitch. You don't fuck with broke bitches.